Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you, as well as tell you how you can easily create and send messages with the effect of balls on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write comments after watching this video, and also leave your likes under the video. So, friends, let's get started. And I'll tell you right away that you can send a message with any effect, mainly with the effect of balls. It is very beautiful and effect, and necessarily remembered as an you, so, and your own, as well as highlighting some important message. So, first of all, please go to the messaging app on your iPhone. Open the message you want and type in the text you want. Also, friends, don't forget that you can enter not only text, you can also easily add any emoji you like. And also, if you click on the plus on the left side, you can choose here stickers. And also send them with this effect. So friends, when you enter the text you want, on the right-hand side, click and hold on the send message sign. And you'll see a window like this. Go to the top here, to the right option, the effects option, and scroll down to the balloon effect. As you can see, it looks very gentle and beautiful and will fit, for example, if you congratulate someone on their birthday or on some holiday. And in general, on a normal day, it will look very effective. In order to send such a message, just click on the send button on the right side of the message. And your interlocutor will see this effect when you send him a message, when he opens it, and also you will see this effect after sending. This is a very easy and quick way to send messages on your iPhone with the balloon effect. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.